case 2484-2023, Magudumana versus the Director of Public Prosecutions and 4 others.
Mr. Reyners.
My Lord, may it please you, I appear in this matter together with my learned colleague Dlamini, and that's on instructions of Machini Motlung, attorneys of Bloemfontein. May it please you.
Thank you, Mr. Reyners.
If it please you, my Lord, I appear for the respondents in this matter.
Thank you, sir.
My Lord, we have prepared a draft order which I intend to hand up to my Lord. The position is as follows. My learned colleague, Mr. Masibuko, together with Mr. Snellenberg, who I understand is leading him, gave us the assurance that the opposing papers will be filed any moment. So we realized that in those circumstances, we'll have to consider that, obviously discuss that with our client and file a reply if necessary. In the meantime, Matsepe's attorneys of Bloemfontein also instructed counsel to appear for the Minister of the Department of Home Affairs. We have all agreed to a certain order, subject obviously to what my Lord may decide in this matter. May I hand up a copy of the court order that we will ask my Lord to make an order of court? Ultimately, the matter will be postponed with your leave until next Thursday to the opposed roll with dates for heads and so forth. We are in my Lord's hands.
Yes, may I please
May
see
I
that
please?
document? Yes.
Thank you, my Lord. My Lord, would notice from that draft order that first of all it's by agreement between the various parties, and the first aspect is that the Minister of Department of Home Affairs of the Republic of South Africa is to be joined as a sixth respondent in this matter.
Yes.
My Lord will also then notice that there is an agreement that the Minister will then file its opposing papers, if any, by no later than Monday, the 29th of May 2023 at 16:30, and the applicant will then file its reply to both those affidavits, if any, by Tuesday, the 30th of May 2023 by no later than 16:30. We will, with your leave, file heads on the Wednesday, the 31st of May 2023 by no later than 4 o'clock. And the application is then to be postponed to the 1st of June 2023 at 9:30 to the opposed roll for hearing. My Lord, in passing by and without being presumptuous, we were all at item that if my Lord make these interim arrangements, my Lord will consider the possibility of keeping the file, but obviously that was just a suggestion. The last part of the order is that the costs, if any, are to stand over.
Yes. Do I understand you correctly that the opposing affidavits of the other present respondents are in the coming?
First to third respondents, my Lord, would have
Yes.
noticed fourth and fifth respondent is abiding.
That is correct.
So I do understand, and as it is between counsel, my learned colleague gave me that assurance, and then I believe him. He said they are on its way, and I said, well, whenever they are ready, we are in agreement, they will file it somewhere during today. But he will confirm if need be.
Mr. Masibuko and the other counsel appearing for the first, second and third respondents, do you confirm what Mr. Reinders has told the court?
Yes, my Lord, firstly, I confirm the arrangements in as far as the filing of papers and the hearing for next week, Thursday, is concerned, and I can confirm that the answering affidavit will be filed today.
Thank you. Gentlemen, it appears to me that this draft order that's been agreed to between the parties is in order, that it is appropriate in the circumstances, and therefore I intend making this order an order of court. It reads as follows. Firstly, the Minister of the Department of Home Affairs of the Republic of South Africa is joined as the sixth respondent. Secondly, the sixth respondent will file its opposing papers, if any, by no later than Monday, the 29th May 2023 at 16:30. Thirdly, the applicant will file its replying affidavit, if any, by Tuesday, the 30th May 2023, no later than 16 hours 30. Fourthly, the parties are to file heads of argument before or on Wednesday, the 31st May 2023, also by no later than 4 o'clock in the afternoon, 1600 hours. And in the fifth place, the application is postponed to the 1st of June 2023 at 9:30 in the morning to the opposed roll for hearing, and the costs of today in the sixth instance is to stand over. That is the order that is then made at this stage.
As it pleases, my lord, I apologize, it might be my mistake. Although they are not formally on record, I do understand that my learned colleague has got, I do not know whether it's a watching brief, but she can confirm just on behalf of the sixth respondent that that was in fact arranged. I apologize for that.
As it pleases the court, my lord, I have indeed been briefed by the Minister of the Department of Home Affairs to see to the postponement of the application today in order for it to be joined as a sixth respondent and all the other arrangements regarding the postponement.
Yes, and Advocate, you are Advocate van der Sant.
Indeed.
You also agree with the draft order that's been presented to court.
Indeed, my lord, we do
Yes.
agree.
And it's already been made an order of court. Thank you.
As it pleases the court, my lord.
Thank you, gentlemen. The court will now adjourn.
All right, good boy.